We ran into a little problem with the motor installation back in the car. And I just want to go over a couple things here. This here is the oil pump coupler. As you can see, I ended up breaking it. I broke it, I broke the clip, and it ended up falling back down into the oil pan. So, this is a soft white metal coupling. Okay? That's what happened. Alright? So, I ended up breaking it. I broke the coupling on the oil pump shaft to the oil pump before we were putting it in the car. Now, devastating, right? No, it happens. I just want to point some of this out. It just happens. But on a positive note, I just want to say how wonderful the hot rod community is. I went on my forum, bloop, 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 got on there, posted, hey, anybody have 1957 Oldsmobile 371 oil pump coupler. Boom, sent it out there. And in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I had about 5 options. In about an hour or two, I got a private message PM from my buddy out in California, all the way across the United States. It says, I have one, I'm sending it to you. So it's going to be in the mail. I should have it back here by, a day or two. So we're going to get back on the motor, which is okay. These things do happen. So in the meantime, I have more prep to do. I'm working on the cleaning up the flex plate and getting the motor, dialed in a little bit better. It happens. So I want to just give thanks to Harley, my buddy out in California who bailed me out here. And he goes far beyond what normally should take place. Thank you. So we are going to be back with these parts in a couple days. I know what you're saying. I already got these messages. Why don't you use a Chevy neoprene, etc. So no. If this was a small block Chevy, I could probably go to the Zone or the one of the other auto parts stores, and they have them in stock. This is an Oldsmobile, a 65-year-old Oldsmobile that has, it's very specific. So I wanted to put, I didn't want to rig it up, tie it with some wire, no. So I got the right part coming, and what a blessing in disguise to have, people just want to go out of their way to help you. It's awesome. It's an awesome thing. So we're going to keep going. I'll have the motor installation video coming real soon. And I'm going to thank everybody. I just went over, I'm almost 90,000 views already for this year, which is absolutely amazing. I started this channel for 2 reasons. I started the channel so, one day my grandchildren could have something to watch that, we didn't have cameras back in the old days, so I have nothing on my grandfather. And another thing is, I do everything here on very practical builds because, if you have a lot of money, you just throw money. If you own one of these old cars, I've been doing old cars, when they weren't old. So I've been doing old cars my whole life. We used to buy these old cars for $200-300. Sometimes we would get these old cars for free. If you can get this out of my driveway, it's yours, right? One of those deals. So I've been around old cars. If you have a lot of money, you can pay somebody to fix your car. But if you're going to own an old car, you're going to have to learn how to fix it yourself, or it's just not practical to own one. But once you get them up, get them running, and you maintain them, and you learn the little basics about them, they're fantastic. I mean, I've had them my whole life, and I don't plan on buying, a new car ever again, to be honest with you. But anyway, thanks for stopping here today. And we are going to get back to the motor installation coming up. Coming up as soon as the parts get here. Thank you. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you again. Thank you.